The night is short, my breath is short. Rebellion on the tip of my tongue. I swallow. We made eye contact, you didn't look. You heard my name, you hit. I wrote my heart on your walls like graffiti, phone in hand. I wrote and erased, I was gonna say come. I went down again, into myself from within myself. I walked away, because every sentence would be too heavy, because every glance would shatter. I didn't want it to break, but it's me who broke. I'm silent, a storm broke out inside me. I'm silent, a burning prayer on my tongue. I'm silent, I thought it wouldn't be heard, but my silence is screaming at you. I'm silent, breathless I stayed, I was silent. I'm silent, I told it in my eyes, I was silent. I'm silent, my voice hit the walls. Did you ever hear my name at night? My face in the mirror doesn't recognize me. My smile no longer bleeds when you pass by the streets. My steps quicken. My friends ask, are you okay? I laugh it off, you're always the same. They don't know that I fit my whole life into a single message of yours. Ooh, every word is scratched off the ley line. Heartaches with every line. I wanted them not to understand. You were the one who didn't understand anyhow. I was silent, a storm raged inside me. I was silent, a burning prayer on my tongue. I'm silent, I thought it wouldn't be heard, but my silence is screaming at you. I'm silent, I was breathless, I was silent. I told it in my eyes, I was silent. My voice hit the walls. Did you ever hear my name at night? If I speak, I'll break them. I know if I stay silent, I'm erasing myself. I'm stuck in between a narrow street, both sides smelling of you. Hey, I stay silent, a storm raged inside me. I stay silent, a burning prayer on my tongue. I stay silent, I thought it wouldn't be heard, but my silence is screaming, no, you. I stay silent, I was breathless. I stay silent, I told you in my eyes. I stay silent, my voice hit the walls. Did you ever hear my name at night? Silent. Maybe you heard. You just didn't say.